Welcome to a stunning mountain property in West Virginia. This custom built home features floor to ceiling windows, rich custom woodwork, antique imports, and a blend of rare woods. This two-story home includes a tankless water heater and a spring-fed water system. Additional features include three outbuildings, such as a large pole barn and two smaller storage sheds, as well as two structures that could be restored. The property's private location at the end of a quiet road provides peace and tranquility, while the surrounding natural beauty offers endless opportunities for outdoor exploration and relaxation. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.